Reliability evaluation model of online teaching quality based on big data technology. Wang, Feng. Abstract. In order to ensure the education ability of online teaching courses and solve the disadvantages of traditional teaching methods in location, a reliability evaluation model of online teaching quality based on big data technology is designed. By classifying the online teaching quality assessment method, comparing the practical application ability of each evaluation method, we determine a most reliable evaluation method and complete the construction of online teaching quality evaluation index system. On this basis, a perfect online teaching system is built according to the application requirements of evaluation framework and evaluation strategy. The necessary reliability evaluation objectives are defined, and the online teaching quality reliability evaluation model based on big data technology can be successfully applied. Comparing the model with the traditional structural equation model, it can be seen that big data technology can strengthen the reliability evaluation of online teaching quality by network hosts, thus breaking the inhibition effect of location restrictions on online curriculum teaching ability. Introduction. Big data, as an IT industry term, refers to the data set that cannot be captured, managed, and processed by conventional software tools within a certain period of time. It is a massive, high growth rate and diversified information asset that requires new processing model to have stronger decision-making power, insight, and process optimization ability. The strategic significance of big data technology is not to master huge data information, but to professionally process this meaningful data. In other words, if big data is compared to industry, the key to making profits in this industry lies in improving the processing ability of data and realizing the value-added data through processing. Big data needs special technologies to effectively handle a large amount of data over time. Technologies suitable for big data include massive parallel processing, database, data mining, distributed file system, distributed database, cloud computing platform, internet, and scalable storage system. Big data includes structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, and unstructured data is increasingly becoming the main part of the data. Compared with the traditional offline teaching, the online teaching mode can meet more students' classroom learning at one time. The teacher's original need for one-side teaching has also become on-site teaching. The same number of students who may need to teach in batches for various reasons has also become one-time teaching, which greatly improves the time efficiency, but at the same time, under the bright appearance, it also has its own shortcomings. In the common practical application, because students and teachers are separated from each other, it is difficult to communicate directly across the screen, resulting in no targeted guidance, or in the face of rich resources, do not know how to screen and use. A separate learning environment leads to the neglect of others. At the same time, they cannot integrate into the learning society and then reduce the learning efficiency. To sum up, online education has its own problems. How to evaluate the performance of online teaching is a problem worthy of a study. In this paper, a high vocational college as example, The university will set up a number of courses and its own online education parallel courses, organize students to study at fixed time. Although the convenience of MOOCs is not enough, but this is a good solution to the problem of low efficiency of individual learning. Determination of online teaching reliability evaluation method. Big data technology model is a statistical analysis method which uses covariance between variables to study the causal relationship of variables. The structural equation model can not only express the linear relationship of measurable variables, but also the potential variables that cannot be observed. The direct and indirect relationship between variables can be expressed, so the structural equation model is more feasible than the traditional evaluation method. Teaching level and ability are the foothold of teachers. One of the most important topics in teacher education is how to effectively improve teachers' teaching level and ability. Construction of online teaching system. Online teaching is not only a safe and reliable online teaching platform, but also the school system uses reasonable programming and simple technology to realize. In summary, the main means of a big data system establishment are mature computer system and advanced information communication technology, which can make students, teachers, and managers meet the requirements of high efficiency, high quality, and good operation effect interactive teaching platform. The following principles must be followed in the establishment of perfect online teaching quality reliability evaluation system. 1. Reliability principle. 2. The principle of concurrent processing ability. 3. The principle of advanced nature. 4. The principle of easy management. How to evaluate online courses has been discussed from different perspectives by many experts and scholars at home and abroad. Evaluation framework and strategy. The design and development of online teaching quality reliability evaluation framework is an important part of the success of online teaching mode. Guiding resources. It is not difficult to see from the figure above that the guiding resources are at the top of the pyramid. Content resources. It is located in the middle of the pyramid and plays the pivotal role as link between the preceding and the following. At the same time, it is also the most important part of the whole teaching framework and the highlight of the teaching content. One of the advantages of online teaching is that it can carry out more communication between teachers and students. After class assignment is finished, the teacher summarizes the class content and the student's speech, which is the end of a class teaching stage. Generative resources. At the bottom of the pyramid, it is generated naturally from the use of the first two kinds of resources. As the name suggests, this stage is the supplementary review of the completion of classroom teaching. Objective of reliability assessment. In practice, with the support of big data technology, although the online education teaching performance evaluation method in China has begun to pay attention to speaking with data, it still relies on expert judgment and human input as a whole. Configuration of online teaching evaluation platform. Concluding remarks. With the support of big data technology, online teaching quality evaluation involves different disciplines, majors, and teachers. The sample selected in this empirical study is the index data of a university, which requires high reliability and effectiveness. For the verification analysis, it may be necessary to find more suitable samples and interviewees. In the future, the model can be checked and accepted with the data of other majors in other colleges and universities. Thank you.